Welcome back, everyone. The armorer on the Rust movie set, Hena Doba, returning to court after filing a motion for a new trial. She's already serving the 18-month sentence for involuntary manslaughter in the death of Helena Hutchins. NewsNation's Caitlin Becker has been following this case from the very, very beginning. Caitlin, good morning. What is the defense arguing?
You know, Hena, we can't talk about this case without talking about Alec Baldwin. Right. And the defense is arguing that because Alec Baldwin's case, same exact crime, same exact accusations, same exact time he was facing, his case was dismissed because they said the prosecutors withheld evidence. For the same reason, they're basically saying, well, what happened to him, it probably happened to us. So I deserve a new trial. So that is what they're arguing. We don't know whether or not she is going to get out and get this new trial, but the judge is willing to hear the arguments, which is happening in court this week. Now, in the meantime, Hena Doba, who admitted that she was she's the armorer on set. She admitted she loaded the gun that was handed to Alec Baldwin that ultimately fired, killing Helena Hutchins, but said it wasn't her who brought the live rounds on set. Of course, she was convicted of that. So as far as the law is concerned, it is. But she not only has this motion to get a new trial on the docket this week, she also has an appeal that's separately working its way through court, and those are two different things. So if the motion is granted this week and she gets a completely second trial, which means we start from the very beginning and do this all again, that kind of makes the appeal moot.
You mentioned Alec Baldwin. We know his attorneys are filing a new request this week. What have you learned?
You know, prosecutors still want to go after Alec Baldwin in this case, and they filed an absurdly long request to retry him, to the point where the judge was just like, this is ridiculous. 52 pages is ridiculous. So from the Baldwin side, he's saying, you know, this was dismissed without prejudice, means you can't come after me again. So just sort of step back. So he's kind of raising his hands and saying this is ridiculous. But it does seem like prosecutors are still trying to hold him culpable for the death of Helena Hutchins.
So a lot more to go. The story is not over yet. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.